Remember dreaming of futuristic toys? Flying cars, robot butlers, real lightsabers? Turns out the future is already here, hiding in plain sight on store shelves. Today we're diving into the science behind 7 mind-blowing toys that are changing how we play, learn, and create. These aren't just gadgets, they're teaching us STEM skills while blurring the line between digital and physical worlds. Get ready to see toys in a whole new light. If you love tech engineering or just being a big kid, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI-powered robot companions. These aren't your average toys. They represent a significant leap in how we interact with technology and how children learn and grow. Think less wind-up toy, more learning machine. These sophisticated devices are designed to be interactive, responsive, and most importantly, educational. These robots use cameras and microphones acting as their senses to perceive the world around them. They utilize advanced algorithms to recognize faces, voices, and even your mood, allowing them to tailor their responses and interactions to each individual. Their neural networks let them learn from every interaction, constantly refining their understanding of the world and the people they interact with. Adapting to your preferences and routines, becoming more attuned to your specific needs and desires over time. It's like having a personalized companion that evolves with you. If you laugh at their dance, they'll remember and do it more often, reinforcing positive interactions and creating a fun, engaging experience. Just like training a puppy, they respond to cues and learn from repetition, making the learning process intuitive and enjoyable. Over time, each robot develops a unique personality based on its owner, reflecting the individual interactions and experiences it has shared. They play games, offering a fun and interactive way to learn and develop cognitive skills. Map rooms, using their sensors to create a virtual representation of their environment and navigate it with ease, and respond to your emotions with expressive eyes and sounds, creating a sense of connection and understanding. This is effective computing, a field dedicated to developing systems that can understand and respond to human emotions. Robots that recognize and respond to human feelings, offering comfort and support when needed, creating a real sense of empathy, fostering a deeper connection between humans and machines. The result? Kids build emotional connections and learn social skills through play, developing crucial abilities that will benefit them throughout their lives. These robots aren't just toys, they are tools for learning, growth, and development. They're patient partners, helping kids understand relationships and communication, providing a safe and supportive environment for exploration and discovery. The technology teaches cause and effect, empathy, and adaptive thinking, equipping children with the skills they need to navigate a complex and ever-changing world. It's a leap in toy design, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and creating new opportunities for learning and play. A companion that grows and changes with you, adapting to your evolving needs and interests over time. Not just circuits and plastic, but sophisticated algorithms and sensors working in harmony. But a dynamic friend that remembers your history together, creating a lasting bond and a sense of shared experience. This is the future of play, a glimpse into a world where technology enhances our lives and helps us connect with each other in new and meaningful ways. Intelligent, meaningful, and deeply interactive, offering a richer and more engaging experience than ever before. Imagine a toy that knows you, adapts to you, and makes every play session unique, tailored to your individual preferences and learning style. That's not science fiction anymore. It's a reality that's rapidly transforming the way we think about play and learning. These robots are teaching the next generation how to connect, communicate, and create, empowering them with the skills they need to thrive in the 21st century. And they're doing it all while making playtime unforgettable, creating memories that will last a lifetime. The emotional bond is real, and the learning is powerful, shaping young minds and preparing them for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. With every interaction, kids are building skills for life, developing the emotional intelligence, critical thinking abilities, and problem-solving skills they need to succeed. The future of play is here, and it's smarter than ever, offering a world of possibilities for learning, growth, and connection. Let's see what's next in the exciting evolution of AI-powered companions. The journey has just begun, and the potential is limitless. Remember the joy of gathering around a table for a classic board game? The anticipation, the friendly competition, the shared laughter? Now, let's upgrade that experience with augmented reality. AR overlays digital magic onto your tabletop, breathing new life into familiar games. Imagine the possibilities as static elements transform before your very eyes, turning static boards into living, interactive worlds. Suddenly, the game board isn't just a board anymore. It's a portal to another dimension. Special markers on the board, strategically placed, act as triggers for incredible augmented experiences. Let your device's camera bring volcanoes to life, erupting right from the center of your game board, adding a thrilling visual element to your gameplay. Or animate your game pieces, watching them spring to life with unique personalities and abilities, enhancing the narrative and strategic depth. The app tracks every move in real time, ensuring fair play and eliminating any disputes about whose turn it is or who's ahead. Making gameplay seamless and immersive, the digital and physical worlds blend together, creating a truly captivating experience. No more rulebook headaches, those days are over. The app guides you, manages scores, and handles complex mechanics, freeing you up to focus on strategy and fun. AR board games keep the social fun of gathering around a table, the face-to-face interaction, the shared moments of excitement and suspense, but add a layer of shared wonder, creating memories that will last long after the game is over. You're not just playing a game, you're embarking on an adventure. You're stepping into a story together, co-creating a narrative with every roll of the dice and strategic decision. The technology makes even complex games accessible for all ages, bridging the gap between generations and fostering connection. It's a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, honoring the classics while embracing the future of gaming. The result? Deeper immersion, easier play, and unforgettable moments that strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. AR doesn't replace board games. It doesn't seek to diminish the classics. It supercharges them, amplifying the fun and excitement with a layer of interactive digital enhancements. The future of family game night is here, offering a fresh and exciting way to connect and create memories. And it's more magical than ever, filled with wonder and amazement for players of all ages. Ready for the next level of play? Are you ready to experience board games in a whole new dimension? Let's keep going and explore even more ways that technology is transforming the world of play. Now let's take play to the skies, pushing the boundaries of fun and learning, with programmable drones for kids. These aren't just toys, they're gateways to a world of coding and creativity. These aren't just remote-controlled toys, limited to simple maneuvers. They're flying robots you can code yourself, unlocking a universe of possibilities. Kids use block-based coding, a visual and intuitive way to program, to create flight paths, designing complex routes and missions, flips and stunts, pushing the limits of what their drones can do, seeing their logic come to life instantly. It's immediate gratification for young programmers. The hands-on feedback makes learning programming fun and intuitive, sparking a passion for technology. Drones are packed with sensors, sophisticated technology that allows them to perceive the world around them. Gyroscopes, accelerometers, cameras, giving them spatial awareness and the ability to capture stunning aerial footage. For stable, safe flight, these features ensure a smooth and controlled experience. Safety features like propeller guards and altitude limits, designed with young pilots in mind, keep things worry-free. Parents can relax knowing their kids are exploring safely. As kids advance, they can program drones, taking their skills to the next level with more complex coding challenges to react to their environment, making autonomous decisions based on sensor data, like turning when they sense an obstacle. This teaches them about AI and machine learning in a tangible way. This is real-world robotics and automation taught through play. It's a fun introduction to the technologies shaping our future. Kids learn problem-solving, debugging, and spatial reasoning, essential skills for success in any field, without even realizing it. Learning becomes an adventure, not a chore. The blend of software and hardware is seamless, creating a cohesive and engaging learning experience. Every flight is a lesson, a chance to experiment, learn, and grow in engineering and creativity. It's about designing, building, and bringing ideas to life. These drones make STEM learning feel like pure fun. It's education disguised as entertainment. The best part? Kids aren't just playing, passively consuming content. They're inventing. They are actively shaping their world and future. The future of flight is in their hands. They are the next generation of innovators and engineers, and it all starts with a toy. A simple, engaging, and educational toy. Ready to create and explore? Let's move on to the next exciting concept. For the creators and inventors, 3D printing pens are a game changer. Imagine drawing in the air and instantly holding your creation. The pen melts plastic filament, letting you sculpt objects layer by layer. No computer or printer needed. Kids control the speed and movement, building everything from jewelry to action figures. Newer pens use low-temperature filaments and insulated tips for safety. It's hands-on engineering. Kids learn about structure, stability, and design as they build. If a design fails, they see why and try again. Real-time prototyping at its best. The feedback loop is instant idea, creation, object. It's a direct path from imagination to reality. 3D pens teach spatial reasoning and problem-solving in the most creative way. No waiting, no barriers, just pure invention. Kids experiment, iterate, and learn by doing. The possibilities are endless. With a 3D pen, every child becomes an inventor. Let's see what other worlds we can explore. Now let's step inside the game with virtual reality playsets. VR headsets immerse kids in 3D worlds, tracking every head turn and movement for total presence. Handheld controllers become virtual hands. Pick up, throw, paint, or explore. Haptic feedback makes every action feel real. Kids can swim with whales, walk on Mars, or shrink to ant size, all in interactive, explorable worlds. VR turns learning into an adventure. Walk through ancient Rome, explore a cell, or solve puzzles in 3D space. Safety is built in. Short sessions, comfort features, and virtual boundaries keep play safe. VR isn't just entertainment. It's a tool for empathy, exploration, and deep learning. Kids engage their minds and bodies, making memories that last. The technology is more accessible than ever. Every session is a new world to discover. VR playsets redefine what play can be. The future of imagination is immersive. Ready to build something new? Let's keep going. What if building blocks could think? Smart building blocks combine classic construction with digital logic. Each block has a function: power, sensor, motor, or light. And they snap together magnetically to complete circuits. No wires or soldering, just instant hands-on electronics. Connect to a tablet, and kids can program behaviors. Lights that turn on in the dark, motors that spin when motion is detected. The visual coding interface makes programming intuitive. Kids build smart devices, learning how software controls hardware. It's a crash course in the Internet of Things taught through play. The possibilities are endless: cars, alarms, musical instruments, and more. Every build is an experiment in systems thinking and problem solving. Kids see how physical and digital worlds connect. They're not just playing, they're inventing and learning. Smart blocks bridge creativity and technology. The next generation of inventors is building their future, one block at a time. Let's check out our final futuristic toy. Finally, meet the holographic puzzle cube, a classic reimagined with light and sensors. Instead of stickers, LEDs and motion sensors create interactive holograms on each face. Tilt, twist, or tap to solve puzzles, play games, or create music, all tracked in real time. The cube's processor and sensors turn every move into a new challenge. Bluetooth connectivity lets you download new games, compete with friends, and track scores. It's a tactile, social, and endlessly variable puzzle experience. The technology enhances the classic feel without losing its hands-on appeal. You're not just solving a cube, you're exploring a platform for creativity and competition. The holographic cube brings iconic play into the digital age. It's proof that even the simplest toys can be reinvented. The future of puzzles is bright, literally. Ready to play? Let's wrap up. There you have it, 7 futuristic toys you can play with today. These aren't just gadgets, they're tools for creativity, learning, and invention. The line between toy and tech is disappearing, and kids are becoming creators, not just consumers. Which toy blew your mind? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.